Find the TSA of a cone if first one, radius is equal to 3 centimeters, slant height is equal to 5 centimeters. Second one, radius is equal to 8 meters, height is equal to 15 meters. This figure is a cone. In a cone, base will be in the form of a circle. In this cone, OC is called radius and OA is called height. In a cone, height will be perpendicular to the radius. In this cone, AC is called slant height and AC will be equal to AB in measure. Slant height is represented by L, radius by R and height by H. Total surface area of a cone means surface area of the curved part plus surface area of the base, which is a circle. First one, radius is equal to 3 centimeters, slant height is equal to 5 centimeters. We can find the total surface area of a cone using the formula TSA is equal to pi r into r plus L. TSA means total surface area, pi the constant, its value is approximately equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14, r is the radius and L is the slant height. Substitute the values of pi, r and L in this formula to find TSA. Then it will be equal to 22 by 7 into 3 into 3 plus 5. We have to simplify this using BODMAS rule. So first we have to simplify the part of the expression which is the bracket. 3 plus 5 is 8. So we can write this as 22 by 7 into 3 into 8. Now 3 into 8 is 24. So let us multiply 22 and 24 in the rough work. 2 into 4 is 8. Write 8 here. 2 into 2 is 4. Write 4 here. Again 2 into 4 is 8. So leave one space and write 8 here. 2 into 2 is 4. Write 4 here. Now the multiplication part is completed. We have to add these numbers. There is 8 here. So write 8 here. 4 plus 8 is 12. Write 1 here. 2 here. 1 plus 4 is 5. Write 5 here. 24 into 22 is 528. So we can write it as 528 by 7. When we divide 528 with 7, we get 75.42 approximately. So TSA is equal to 75.42 centimeter square approximately. The units of radius and slant height are centimeters. So units of TSA will be centimeter square. Next one, radius is equal to 8 meters, height is equal to 15 meters. We can find the TSA of a cone using the formula TSA is equal to pi r into r plus L. TSA means total surface area, pi the constant, its value is approximately equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14, r is the radius and L is the slant height. Here slant height is not given, but radius and height are given. We can find the slant height when radius and height are given using the formula L is equal to root of h square plus r square. Substitute the values of height and radius in this formula to find slant height. That is equal to root of 15 square plus 8 square. 15 square means 15 into 15, 225, and 8 square means 8 into 8, 64. So we can write this as square root of 225 plus 64. 225 plus 64 is 289. So we can write this as square root of 289. Square root of 289 is 17. So slant height is equal to 17 meters. So units of radius and height are meters. So units of slant height will be meters. Now substitute the values of pi r and L in this formula to find TSA. That is equal to 3.14 into 8 into 8 plus 17. Now we have to simplify this using BODMAS rule. So first we have to simplify the part of the expression within the bracket. 8 plus 17 is 25. So we can write it as 3.14 into 8 into 25. Now let us multiply 8 and 25 in the rough work. 8 into 5 is 40. Write 4 here, 0 here. 8 into 2 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. Write 20 here. So 25 into 8 is 200. So we can write it as 3.14 into 200. Now this is a decimal. We can convert this into a fraction. Then it will be equal to 314 by 100. So we can write this as 314 by 100 into 200. Now let us simplify these two in the rough work. Common factor of 200 and 100 is 100. Divide both of them with common factor. When we divide 200 with 100, we get 2. When we divide 100 with 100, we get 1. The values left are 314 by 1 into 2, which is equal to 314 into 2. Now let us multiply 314 and 2 in the rough work. 2 into 4 is 8. So write 8 here. 2 into 1 is 2. So write 2 here. 2 into 3 is 6. So write 6 here. So 314 into 2 is 628. So TSA is equal to 628 meters square. The units of radius, height and slant height are meters. So units of TSA will be meter square.